Hi there, welcome to my channel where I dive into fascinating economic trends and analyze their impact on society. The dynamics of global economics have been increasingly characterized by geopolitical tensions, trade wars, and debates over the principles of free market economies. A focal point of these discussions has been the reaction of prominent economic leaders to China's growing influence on the global stage. One notable example is Janet Yellen, the US Treasury Secretary, who was in China last week, whose comments and policy stances towards China have sparked a mix of concern, debate, and analysis among economists, policymakers, and the public. According to the US Treasury Secretary, Chinese manufacturing is too successful, especially with electric vehicles, and risks killing manufacturing in the US and other Western countries. Before I continue, however, do visit our website where I curate news and publications from international financial organizations and world central banks. Topics cover a wide range of financial and economic issues that affect individual countries or the world economy. For instance, COVID-19, inflation, or the war in Ukraine. Please also subscribe to this channel and be informed whenever we publish a new video. Janet Yellen's apprehensions about China's economic practices are not unfounded nor isolated. They reflect a broader concern among Western economies about the increasing assertiveness of China in the global market. The issues at hand include allegations of intellectual property theft, state subsidies that distort market competition, and restrictions on access to Chinese markets for foreign companies. These practices have raised questions about the level playing field in international trade and the integrity of free market principles. Yellen's stance over China can be seen as a call to action for maintaining the competitiveness of the US economy, while safeguarding the principles of fair trade. Her advocacy for a strategic approach to address China's trade practices underscores the dilemma faced by free markets when confronted with state-led economic models that challenge the conventional rules of international commerce. The relationship between the US and China serves as a case study in the complexities of balancing free market ideals with realpolitik. Economic statecraft becomes a tool through which nations pursue their strategic interests under the guise of economic policy. This can include measures like export controls, sanctions, and the use of international financial institutions to influence global economic policies. The challenge lies in doing so without undermining the principles of free trade and the benefits it brings to the global economy. This dichotomy presents a challenge for global economic governance, requiring a nuanced understanding of how free markets can coexist with diverse economic models. It also raises questions about the adaptability of international trade rules and the World Trade Organization's capacity to mediate these complexities. The path forward involves a balance between competition and cooperation. Engaging in constructive dialogue, reforming international trade norms to reflect contemporary economic realities, and enhancing multilateral cooperation are essential steps towards resolving tensions. To conclude, Janet Yellen's concerns over China's economic policies highlight a critical juncture in the discourse on free markets and international trade. The situation encapsulates the challenges of navigating a global economy marked by diverse economic models and competing national interests. Reaffirming the principles of fair competition while fostering an environment conducive to dialogue and cooperation is crucial to the sustainable development of the global economic landscape. As the world grapples with these issues, The evolving dynamics between the US and China will undoubtedly play a pivotal role in shaping the future of free markets and international economic policy. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this analysis insightful. If you did, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more engaging content like this. As always, I appreciate your support. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of economics.